This is so good. I try to avoid sugar, but today's my cheat day. So I'm trying to eat it the slowest that I can. I know that's like a little too much, but you know, I'm trying to enjoy it. But just kidding, I'm taking the biggest bite that I can. Trying to enjoy every little taste in my mouth. Oh my God, this is so good. Alright, so the plan is to go bowling. I really want to go bowling for some reason because it's been a while and I haven't bowled. Bowling. Yeah, I'm trying to go bowling. Let's see how it goes though. So we're over here trying to install an oil catch can on Faisal's Jeep.
प्रोग्राम का क्या हुआ? प्रोग्राम तो बढ़ गया.
That's probably the pro over here.
Pro.
Alright, so I had to make a trip home from my brother's place because I had no socks on and I had no shoes on. I was wearing my Crocs. I mean, they give you shoes there at the bowling alley, but I still wanted my socks. I think they give you socks as well, but still, I don't know. I felt weird, so I just got mine. Also, so the bowling alley that I was trying to go to was, it's packed and they close at 9 and it's already 8:41 right now, so I'm going to another one, an old one, but it's whatever. Let's go. We got our boy a son. I thought I was about to flake, but he made it with his cute dopey.
Oh, you like it? Yeah. Represent.
You're in the video now, bro. You're in the video.
Oh shit,
Yeah,
I made
every time you get
it.
recorded.
Finally made it. MTV.
Go tell her and let's say, yeah, finally made it.
I'm on the spot.
It's just what I came for. Really? It was too crowded, so they kicked us out in a way.
Yeah, brand new.
They said this is halal, so let's see. Morning.
Get the salam, okay, brother?
It's
Get the
halal?
salam. It's halal.
So they have halal option and haram option?
They have a little bit of everything, but let's try it. Let's see how it is.
It's 2024 apparently. Astaghfirullah, brother. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah.
What you guys think about the food? It's okay? That's right.
It was all good. Nice.
That's good?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Life's so good. Let's enjoy it.
Oh.
Life is a... Let's just go to crazy by board. Let's get some. Huh? So yeah, they can, yeah.
No. It's too fast.
headlights.
Headlights.
Yo, I'm here, 95212 area code, and there's like four people, four runaway people. Can't find them. The police is here. 4 suspects on the run.
I don't know, man. Hey, yeah, Charles, how you doing, man? Not bad. Hey, so I had 3 properties I needed work done at. If you had time tomorrow. Thank you. The first one, I can text you the addresses, but let me just go over a little bit of each. The first one is my rental property. I'll be seeing the AC.
I want to see you scratch this. When you got money like that, head here.